Hi everyone, it's David from Medit. If you're a laptop user and you don't want to use a mouse to control the 3D model, there is a way of getting the same functionality with using the tracker pad on the laptop. If you go to the settings menu and check, make sure this icon here is checked, expand model control icons, and then it allows you to have the pan rotate, which is already there before you expand, and the zoom functions on the side here. So if we click the pan icon, hold the tracker pad and drag, and we get to pan around. Rotate, same thing. Double click on the tracker pad and move around. The zoom, double click and we can zoom in and out by sliding your finger up and down. And then the fit to view zoom. I hope that helps a few people out. Thanks for watching.